Are you guys sick of yo-yo dieting? Are you trying to pack on lean muscle but not seeing any results? This is advice that I learned over 10 years of working out. I will give to you in 8 minutes. I essentially used all of these basic protocols and practices within the past 2 months to go from flabby to this. My company had a walking challenge. I would walk outside for 6,000 to 10,000 steps. I would also get a desk treadmill. I bought it on Amazon for about $1.50. It's a pretty good investment for you guys that work at a desk. It's a good way to drop your calorie deficit by, I would say, 200 to 400 calories. I lost about 10 pounds, basically walking, tracking my food. I got a coach so that he could help me with my macros, motivation, so that I can have money on the line to be accountable to him. He's helping me with my workout routines and my sleep and all that. I got a Whoop band to track my sleep to make sure that the quality is good, because I noticed that when my sleep wasn't as good, my calories that I burn, it's a lot lower. Make sure you aim for about 7 to 8 hours of sleep. If you need to catch up on the weekends, I know we're all busy, try it out. A basic workout routine that you could stick with every single day could be something as simple as 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, and 100 jumping jacks, 100 air squats. You could do basic shadow boxing, buy your dumbbells. I have a pull-up bar over here. Set your room up so that you want to work out, and set yourself up so that you could be successful in whatever you're trying to accomplish. I got this tracker because I wanted to know how many calories I burn. Is it accurate? I don't know. It's a tool. Also get a scale so that you could track your weight. Also keep in mind when you're body recompositioning, it's not all about the numbers on the scale, because obviously muscle weighs more than fat. Make sure you're consuming all the fitness content on YouTube or maybe an audiobook, because we have to get our mindset. It all starts in the mind. Believe that you could do it, because if I could do it within 3 weeks, you guys could do it as well. Summer's here. It's easier to drop the weight because it's hotter outside. The body's gonna try and stay cool. One little cheat hack is if I sit in my car for 15 minutes out in the sun, it gets super hot. It's probably more than 130 degrees in the car during the summertime. It's like a little sauna, or you could just go to the gym and do it there. It improves your skin. It'll detox your body. Also be aware of what you're eating. When you guys are starting out, you could take pictures of your food and the sauces and the oils and the drinks. Be aware of everything that you're eating and try and reduce the amount of calories and frequencies that you guys are eating. It's best to cut out the snacks, because it's better just to eat real meals, because the snacks, it doesn't really fit, and they could be empty calories such as chips or candy, those kinds of things. Later on, I want you guys to get the Lose It app or the MyFitnessPal app, and you would be able to scan your foods into the application to see if your macros fit. Also, you could go online to see what your basal metabolic rate is, and to also see how many calories you can eat to maintain or to start losing. Because for example, if I'm only working out 3 to 4 times a week, it's different from somebody who's working out 6 to 7 or maybe multiple times a day. Set up a diet that you could stick to. List out all of your foods that you like. For example, for me, I like berries, I like ground beef, bread obviously, eggs, bacon, those kinds of things. And design your diet around that so that you could hit your macros for the week. And you would have to be on point every single day. If I spent an hour on something, it would take me 3 months to get good at it. But if I spent 4 hours on it, probably take me a month to get better at it. Also, when you guys are starting to work out, you don't have to lift the heaviest weight. You could focus more on progressive overload, increment slowly when you guys are lifting. Also work on volume. Work on as many reps as you could get. For example, if you can only do 20 push-ups, break it up into 5 sets and do 100. If you could do 300, go for it. Make sure you record your exercises, the sets, the weights, and the reps that you do, so that next time you guys work out, you can continue along that trend. Because For example, if I know I can curl a 30-pound dumbbell, then I will start off with maybe a 35 or a 45 next time, just to try it out, just to test it. Make sure you guys stretch or at least warm up before you guys are doing your workouts. Increment slowly, lift slowly, because I remember I had an ego and I slipped a disc. I was out for a year and a half. Be mindful of what you're doing. Feel the exercise, feel the muscle, and visualize what you're doing. You could buy basic things like gloves if you're doing pull-ups, because your hands will probably get calloused up. Being sore is kind of normal in the beginning. It will get better. You'll still get sore though when you're working out those muscles. I'm currently on a push-pull leg split and I have a rest day, but then there's no rest honestly, because I could be doing cardio or abs on those other days or different kinds of exercises. You could also look into yoga mat, basic dumbbells or bands to help you get the resistance training. Some supplements that I recommend are basic creatine and multivitamins and some protein. If you need it, it's better to eat your food though, so that you're not as hungry. Stop drinking calories if you could help it, unless it's a protein shake. For example, focus on water, black coffee, and tea. The main reason why I don't drink orange juice is because there's no fiber in it and there's tons of calories. If I drink a half a gallon of orange juice, and I have done it before, it's a day's worth of calories. It doesn't meet your macro count. It's not gonna match like your protein and your fats. You need these things for your hormone balance and for basic health. Eat a lot of green vegetables and berries, such as blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. If you like lettuce, zucchini, broccoli, cauliflower, those kinds of things, potatoes. I like sweet potatoes. I haven't been eating them though. Also look into lean meats such as chicken, fish, shrimp, 93 lean ground beef. Try to stay away from processed foods and cut out the snacks like gummy bears. I'm not a little kid anymore. I do like candy. I just prioritize the way I look over eating garbage food. Understand what kind of sausage you're using as well, because if I'm using barbecue sauce or some kind of ranch dressing, it could be 200 to 300 calories easily out of a couple teaspoons. My go-to is sriracha or mustard, or other kinds of seasonings that have little to no sugar in it. Also, you could get sugar-free barbecue or ketchup. Also get a side hustle or a hobby, because if you're busy doing things, you're not going to be busy eating or even thinking about it. Because for example, if I am washing my car, it's a workout and it's something for me to do. I'm not going to be eating during that time. List out your hobbies or possible side hustles that you wanted to try out and see where it goes. Also download a motivational playlist or other kinds of videos on YouTube, because I know for 24-hour fitness they have Wi-Fi. You could play motivational tracks, because everyday life there's so many things to do, and to be disciplined, to set out your schedule, have calendar events and alarms so that you're negotiating upfront the things that you're doing. You're going to cut out certain things that you're going to be sacrificing. Those are all of the things that I did to get shredded within the past 3 weeks. If you guys are interested in working with me one-on-one, I could coach you guys and we'll see if you're the ideal candidate to lose 10 to 20 and even 30 pounds and also pack on lean muscle mass. The benefits of being in shape are you will be happier and you will build confidence. You will learn how to live a more healthier lifestyle. If you guys are drinking and smoking and having bad sleep, you're doom scrolling on TikTok or Instagram, those are kinds of things that they're not going to help you in the future. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what hit the hardest. I'm here to help you, and I wish you well on your journey. We'll see what's up in the next 3 weeks. I'm hoping to be more shredded.